Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and sync. Make sure Waze is installed and phone OS is up to date. Enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and precise location. Plug into the Ford's USB port when required, because some sync versions need USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Pair the phone to sync via the car's Bluetooth menu if you won't use USB. Once paired, open Waze on your phone so sync can detect it. This step ensures the app handoff to the car interface will work. Now launch Waze through the sync interface. From the Ford Sync home screen, pick Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, then tap the Waze icon on the car display. If it's not visible, swipe menus or restart the connection. When prompted on your phone, grant Waze microphone and location permissions so voice guidance and routing work. Adjust navigation, voice, and media volume in sync or the phone settings to balance directions and music. Once configured, start a route on the car screen for full integration. Finish by running a live route and using voice controls. Enter a destination by tapping the Waze icon or speak "Hey Siri" or "OK Google" through sync to set it hands-free. Confirm your selected route. Use the steering wheel or touchscreen to mute, report hazards, or reroute. If Waze fails to appear, restart the phone and sync, toggle Bluetooth or reconnect the USB cable, and verify CarPlay/Android Auto is allowed. If problems persist, update both the Ford Sync firmware and Waze app before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.